Alright, then I'm going to show you how to replace a Zing switch in your ceiling fan. So it's this one is going to be for the fan motor. So it will be the one on the side. So I have a scrap motor here. This motor still works. I'm just going to rob the switch out of it. So this is the switch here. The pull chain and little nubbin on the end. So let me go get some wire strippers and I'll be right. Alright, well I couldn't find my wire strippers, but I got something to cut the wires with. That's good enough. I think that my mom accidentally yanked it out of the frickin', yanked the little pull chain out of the switch. So you need to unscrew this. There's the end, there's the little thing. There we go, so now we can attach that. Lock washer. Alright, so this is going to be a 3-position switch. So you're going to have power going in, power, and then power coming out. Because this is just a regular 2-pole switch here for the light. This will be like on, off. This will be, whoa, not focusing. Alright, so this would be low, medium, high, off, or no, it goes the other way. Medium, or no, high, medium, low, off. That's right. Okay, now we gotta find our power wire coming in, which I'd say, let me disconnect this little, here, I'm gonna strip the wires with my knife here. Let me just unplug the lamp socket. Alright, so which one is which? Where's the power in? See, this is still, it's a good motor, I just don't use it for anything. Right, so need to find the power going in. That would be the red one right here. Focus. Something about the lens. Yeah, highway. There we go. You might have had the focus lock on. So this is going to be our power coming in. There's a red wire there. I'll take my little handy dandy multi-tool. I'm going to take that wire there. This little red skinny one. Going to I need to snip the zip tie first, actually. So, well, I think I might be able to get in there. Just pull this little nubbin off the end. Alright, there we go. Okay. Next nubbin. Told you. The next one. Why didn't you tell me? Okay, there we go. There's our switch here. This is gonna be okay. Orange. Yeah. Okay, red, orange. Yep. Okay. Now I'm gonna need to get up in there. I'm just gonna stand on the bed here. Going to take off this little chain here, so that way I can get off the little shroud, little lampshade. And yes, the switch over there is off, but it probably won't. I don't have access to the circuit breaker at the moment. Come on, you little bastard. Get off of there. There. Nope, there we go. Toss that down there. Go. There's some bugs in there. So let's see, where is it? Right there. There's our broken Zing switch. So I'm gonna have to take off this little plate here. So let me get a screwdriver. Close my knife before I step on it, or one of the dogs. Alright, maybe we'll get some. Okay, I forgot I have this, which has a screwdriver on it. So I'm gonna take out this screw, and the screws on surrounding this metal plate here. It's hot in here. Because the heater's, this thermostat's been running the heater. I need to unscrew these bulbs. How's that on there? Your LEDs so I won't break them. Don't worry. Alright. That one's already undone. So I just need to get to this one. There. Focus, you bastard. There it goes. Oop, I'm hitting the camera. We'll get a longer screwdriver, just like a regular one. A fucking clicker. There it goes. Flip flop. Oh, it's raining. It's raining out here. There's a, what is that? Earthworm. There's an earthworm in the garage. Alright, screwdriver, screwdriver, screwdriver. Get the ratcheting one, why not? It has our bits, yep. Don't worry, Dad, I'll put this back. Rain, 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 go away, although we need it because we're in a drought in California. Okay. Get a Phillips head. And that should work. It's magnetic, so it'll go in there. Turn it to the left. That way it ratchets this from going to the right. Okay. Get stuff out of the way. I was going to film it with my phone, but that takes up too much space, and I have like a... This is an easier camera to maneuver. I don't have to worry about dropping a $600 phone. I could just... Don't worry, you gotta worry about this little dinky little camera. Oop. Put the camera down real quick. Gotta two-hand this because I don't want the wires to rip out. There she goes. Okay. Put the screw over here in the little tub there, a little light diffuser. Okay. We'll disconnect the lamp. Here's your lamp socket. Your lamp sockets, rather. Zing ear switch. Let me go get the ladder, which is over here, coincidentally, because we've been setting rat traps in the attic. Dog. Silly little dog. Okay. Move this out of the way. Okay. Alright, because the wires in this one are, they kind of just press into it, which is not the best, but also we just ripped out the frickin' pull chain, so now I gotta replace the whole damn switch because I'm not gonna take it apart. Alright, let's climb this ladder. So I can set this down in a way where you guys can see what the hell I'm doing. Nope. Okay, I'll have to one-hand this then. Unscrew that. Nut. Put it in there. Push out the little switch here, and here we go. Da-dee-dee-da. Okay. This one's a bit different. So I'll have to, let's see here. Get my snippy. Dr. Wayne gone. Okay, let's see here. This is gonna go to the motor, and someone's pulling out. Taylor cutting up the front door. Right. Cut the wires going to this cap here.
Probably cut that black one too short, but it should be fine. Take this, like that. Go wires stripped. Repeat with the other wires. Probably need to go find some wire nuts too. Got electrical tape, just need wire nuts. Sorry, I keep going to the frame here. Camera's like resting on my chest and I'm trying to see what I'm doing here. I have the neck strap on my camera. Okay. Sure I haven't cut myself. No, I'm good. Oh, don't knock the camera down. Okay. Wires in there are already stripped, so now I just need to wire this up, and now I gotta go retrieve some wire nuts from the garage. But just some small ones so I don't bung up all the connections in there. Motion light. Where'd that earthworm go? There he is. Little earthworm. Get out of there. Right. Let me turn the light. Let there be light. I love fluorescent lighting. Just the warm white one, not the cool white. That's a LED. This is fluorescent, like these. Alright. Let me see here. There's wire nuts in there, but those are too small. There. No. Damn. Where are my wire nuts going? I'll just wrap it with tape. I think I'll do that. It's not like anybody's gonna go up there and ruffle the wires around, you know. Hey, Bo. He's dog. Hey, Bo. Right, where's my electrical tape? It's on off my neck. Reach into here. This is my 10-pack that I bought from Harbor Freight. Pull another roll out. It smells like something died in here. I probably got another rat. Yeah, it smells like rat in here. Okay. Right, so I need to go up there and do the wires. So let me see here. Red wire should be power in. Right? This is all going. Oh, this is going. There it is, right here. So blue and white are the lamp holders, so it would be black. Okay. Black is fan. And then, yeah, okay. Just, yeah, got it, okay. 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 Close this. Actually, no, I'll need that because I need to cut the tape. Turn off these recessed lighting. Brighter. That's better. Needs a little bit of. Okay, yeah, Zing ear switch. Wonder why they call it that. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, got it. Just gonna match up the things. This is 1. So that's 1. So we'll put in, where's one? Right, it's on the other side. Okay, one, and that's, yeah, that's one. And you get the snippy again. So I guess it's like a one-way mechanism to put the wires in, so once you put them in, you can't get them out. I can put you guys up on a door or something. Put you guys up here. Yeah, that'll work. How's it looking? Good. Okay. Just need to cut the wire labeled 1, which is the orange one. Let's see, yep. Okay. Commencing cutting. If I don't die. We'll find the breaker. Oh, no, because I won't have any light. God damn it. Gloves. Gloves. I have rubber gloves here. These are like chemical gloves. They're not electrician gloves, but it'll do. Let's see, how's the camera looking here? Good, good. Okay, let's turn it this way. There we go. Great, now we can see what I'm doing. Good, good. Good in the hood. Let's see a blinking light. I'm recording, okay, good. Good, good, good. Okay. Wire number 1. Come on. There we go. Okay, start stripping that one. La-da-dee-da-dee-dee-da-da. Oh, there. Light in the closet. Now that one's also motion activated. So when I open the door, it turned on. I'm like, what the heck? I just kill the lights. But no, lights are still on. So that one light went out. It turned off. Okay. I'm sweating. I'm not wearing my sweatshirt. Okay. This and that, twist it down. There it is. There's a little end of the roll. Like a janky tutorial on how to change the Zing switch, because I don't have my proper tools right now. I can't even do some reorganizing in my room and cleaning. One wire down. One Where'd it go? It's already up there. Okay. L. Okay, that would be black wire. Your live wire. Does that mess up? But let's think positive. There we go. Stripping. Come on. I got it. Come off already. I see. Oh, I'm hearing rats in the ceiling. Rat me. Okay, which one is? Oh, that's the old one. Okay, L. L wire. Perfect. Straddling the ladder for fuck's sake. I'm hearing rats squeaking up in the ceiling, so I know there's up in there. I'm gonna start hearing a snap here in a minute. I don't know. Put a trap up in the attic. Alright, stop bumping this freaking thing. Okay, that's good. Someone home? Hang on a sec. Nobody home. Okay. I'm gonna let it throw my fucking tool all the way over there. This is what I'm doing. Perfect. Perfecto. Try zooming in a little bit. Okay. Then we're going to take the next wire, which is labeled, this is the purple wire labeled 2. Take that one. Let us sneak like that. This one has a knife in it too. I can just use a knife in this. You know, that doesn't have the little serrated edge in it. So I will use this one. I can dig the edge into the wire insulation. Because I don't have my fucking strippers. I don't know where the fuck they went. There we go. Caught a live rat the other day. It was freaking out in the ceiling at night because the trap went off and it didn't kill it. And it fucking was flip-flopping around in the ceiling all night long. So it's hearing donk, donk, donk. Oh my god, and then we caught it and it was going it was making squeaky noises. Alright. 2. Alright. That's 2. This is 2. And yeah, and then we've caught like 6 or 7 rats now. It's fucking crazy. Now it's bucketing outside. It's raining hard. I can hear it on the freaking ceiling. Come on, open. Open sesame. There we go.
last wire is 3. Yep, last wire is 3. So the snip is the yellow wire. This is a Hampton Bay ceiling fan from like Home Depot or whatever the fuck. This is the wire. So yellow wire is number 3 on the Zinger switch. If you're replacing your Zinger switch, just like cut it one wire at a time. Don't snip them all at once, otherwise you'll lose track probably. You don't want that because then you could set your motor on fire. I've learned the hard way with other variable speed fan motors several times before. Desk fans and stuff like that. I accidentally crossed the wrong wires trying to get to go to the slow speed and it let out the magic smoke. Is someone home? We're home. I'm replacing the switch in your ceiling fan right now.
Oh, you are?
Yeah, I remember I found that scrap ceiling fan order a while ago.
Do you think it's gonna work?
Yeah, I'm wiring it up right now. I'm also filming it right now. You can see the camera up there. So.
Okay, I won't bug you.
I mean, you can watch.
I'll stay out of there.
You can watch.
Oh wow, bud, thank you for that.
Yeah, I forgot I had that old motor lying around.
Okay.
And I thought, let me just pull the 3 position switch out of it
Okay.
and hook it up here.
It's the same. It fits it.
Yep, Zinger
Okay.
switch, 3
That's
position.
fantastic.
So, I noticed the Zinger switch was off. I'm like, oh right, the fan, the chain broke off, right?
Okay.
So I'm just.
Yeah, it pulled right out, but the switch you have, does it have its own chain?
Yes, it has its own chain.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I'm hearing squeaking in the ceiling too. The rats are up there.
Okay.
Okay. Could you push the switch up?
Yeah. Here goes.
All the way up.
It's all the way up.
High.
Now the trick is going to be putting it through the metal, the lid, because I think the other one, it didn't matter how I rotated it to have the chain pull smoothly. It seemed like it was catching on something, or the switch could have been going out.
Only high is working.
Oh.
Just hang on a sec.
Previously, the fan switch was working on either high or low. Medium was not working. But you know
so then
what?
it could be a problem with the motor too.
You know what? As long as the high works,
Yeah.
And-
you just gotta pull it a bunch of times to turn it on.
I'll tell Daddy, because I know turning this off and on,
Turn that off.
it's probably easier if it's just always all the way up and we just turn it on
Yeah.
at the source.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna head over this way.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good enough for now, I guess. Whew. Okay. Alright. Yeah, that's the old motor. I just snipped the wires out of it.
Okay.
Hooked it back up.
So that
it just kind of pushes back up.
okay. Okay.
Yeah. If you ever need to do that again, this just kind of pops off. You can. This is your back fixture for your bolt screw into.
Oh,
You can
okay.
see this is removable for that reason.
Oh, okay.
Just like that one. That one
I
has
would-
screws, and then it has little press fit.
I would never know that.
Little banana plug things.
Okay.
So let me button this thing back up.
Yeah, yeah.
So for now, only high works, and then we can buy a new switch.
That's fine, and then this way we're not having to toggle that switch.
Yeah, you just gotta pull
Because
it like a bunch
I remember
of times.
Sam saying something about pushing that up and down constantly and to just
yeah,
leave it.
You can either run that or
Yeah, exactly.
So what do you call it? This is the nut.
Okay.
Screw in there.
All right, I'll let you.
And then we'll choose your chain, so to speak.
Oh, okay.
Would you like this one with the little medallion on the end, or would you like the one with the little wooden nub? That one?
Yeah, it matches. This is what we had, I think, on one of the other. Yeah. So, okay. Let me clean the lampshade before you put it in.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, 1 second. All right, that's good. Where is he? Oh.
Look at this paw, it's just falling off.
Oh.
He's like lollypopping now, he's like,
Oh, they must have peeled out. This is all under here.
oh, look at him.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
There we go. So for now, Mom, you just gotta pull it, and it'll turn on only on the high setting.
You're gonna make the chain longer, right?
Yes.
Oh, okay, okay.
So I still gotta put on the little thing with the medallion on the end, but it spins up.
Okay.
Oh, that cold air feels nice.
Oh. Okay. Alrighty.
Okay.
Good.
You turn this off again.
Okay.
And I'll button back up the. I even have a spare switch for the light too.
Okay.
Cause yeah, and the spare lamp fixture too.
Oh wow. Alright.
I've basically a whole other motor.
Mm-hmm.
All the parts and whatnot attached to it.
Okay.
Have you been an assistant?
Nope, they've been on the couch lazing around.
Oh, okay. Wow, so you heard scratching?
No, I heard.
Oh no!
Yeah.
I wondered if
Yeah, they're making. I heard like skittering, and I heard.
Oh no. Okay.
They're probably up there.
We'll check.
They saw what happened to their comrade over at CCZ, so they strayed away from there.
Wow.
They're just going to the ones trapped outside.
Okay.
I need you to be my assistant.
Oh sure. What do you need?
I need you to pass me some screws when I ask you to.
Okay. Which ones?
There's 2 screws down there. One. Where's that?
There's one.
Yeah, and then there's one under that light bulb right here. Right here, right where my finger is.
Okay.
Just hold on to them. Don't lose them because these hold the little lamp fixture in and everything else.
Okay.
Inside here. So I'll leave the shade off, yeah. So that way I could just put in the new switch, or it's up to you.
No, I wanna cover.
Want the shade on?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Get in your hole. Big Happy Gilmore.
Yeah.
Get in your hole.
Don't you know where your home is?
So this thing looks like it's missing a screw too.
Oh.
Because there's only 2 screws holding in this thing.
Okay.
So.
We might have lost one the
Some-
last time it was open.
Yeah, last time you opened it up to replace the fan switch, because you again yanked out the chain.
Yeah.
Or one of you did.
You helped us.
No. One of you had yanked out the chain
Oh,
for
probably.
the fan switch
Yes,
the first
yes.
time, and then I went up in there, put that switch in. And you
Okay.
take the chain out
So
of that
this
one.
is trash?
Yeah, that's garbage.
Okay.
So yeah.
Okay.
Any light bulbs? E light bulb, yeah.
Light bulb.
Light bulb. Scalpel. Wire cutters.
Rat dog. I pass you a dog, you're like, don't need that.
We don't need that one. Okay, switch.
Okay. It's already it's up. Okay, good. Watch your head.
I know. I can just push it
Okay.
out of the way. I've been doing that the whole time.
So,
Switch off.
okay.
Just trying to be cautious.
Yeah, no, of course.
Okay. Wait, did you keep the other chain end from this?
Yeah.
Okay, because that one's for the light.
Oh, shoot, here it is.
Okay.
The light
Shit.
is the one that comes straight down the
This
middle.
is the light, because this connects
Yeah.
right to this.
No, that's
This
fine.
is the chain. This is the fan, because
The
it goes right up to
fan.
the motor.
Yeah, the we know that the one that comes straight down the middle is for the light.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. No, I know, but I got it because that one there is for the light.
Oh,
One-
or you could use it for either.
I know, but I'm just trying
Okay.
to put everything back how it was.
Okay.
Shade. This is roughly cut. This is so jagged and sharp.
Yeah.
Cheaply made.
Mhm.
I'm sure they made it hella
It's like Home
expensive.
Depot brand.
Home Depot.
Yeah.
Like the.
Oh, where does is that?
That's for the old switch.
Okay.
I'll keep this just in case.
I'll put all these pieces together. All
Okay,
right.
I'll need that
Oh, okay.
because this doesn't have the medallion on it.
Yeah.
So just go in there. Put that little thing.
It just got so rough that you
Yeah,
pull
you
on
gotta-
it
you
and
gotta-
it
You gotta be delicate with these switches.
yeah. So it pulls smoothly? Oh yeah. Alrighty. Okay. Just
Oh, dog. Dog is watching us.
oh, I think the
Yeah, put 'em-
the bright gold one
Uh-huh.
thread it through one
No,
of
I gotta put this.
no. But did you see how it was touching the side of the metal? It has to thread through one of those rounded.
This thing.
Yes, but
What?
here, let me show you.
Oh, I see. No, that'll make it harder to pull and you'll break it.
Oh, that's okay. That's,
You don't thread it through there.
Here,
No,
so
that,
go ahead and put it
I'll
in
show
and
you, I'll
then
show you.
and see because I can't.
that'll make it hard to pull and then you'll break the chain.
see that.
Just let it get run through the plastic.
Um, I hope it threads. I don't want it to. It looks like it's stuck between the plastic.
That's fine. You
And
don't want
the
it. You don't want it to go on metal because plastic can be molded to a
Huh.
certain shape. Metal is pretty much not unless it's like India or something.
Huh.
Let me show you. Look.
Yeah. See, now it got rough. See,
Okay, hang on.
like the balls catch
Yeah,
on
they
the
catch
edge.
on. They catch on everything. They're little
Yeah.
beads. Let me try.
Try that.
Let me move it over to this one. That
Um,
one's in line with this in this switch. You want
Yeah.
it all correctly in line.
You could
Otherwise
turn this so that it's.
I know.
Oh, okay.
I'll turn the little nut thing. Yeah.
Yeah. There it is.
Got
Good
it.
catch. Okay, let's see how that goes.
Perfect.
Okay. And then, oh right, it gets threaded afterward.
Put that hole through that hole. Bead through that hole. That bead through that hole. Damn it. There it goes. Yeah, there.
And then just make the lampshade as
I know.
even as
I gotta tighten
possible.
the nut.
Yeah, yeah. I know I've left it lopsided before and I'm like,
This
can
will
I do that?
unlopside it.
Oh my god, listen to that! Okay, Okay, so definitely put that on the light one.
I know.
Oh, okay.
I know, you always want the light one longer because that's the one you're going to reach for first.
Okay, cool.
It's also just so you know which one is what.
Alright.
Switch. Switch.
Oh, excuse me, sorry. Okay. Oh, Daddy'll love that. He's the one that turns the fan on at night because the heat.
Yeah, the heat
hits
goes
him
right down on the bed, yeah.
Yeah.
Check my camera real quick.
Sure.
It's going. Hold on.
Thank you so
And then I
much.
have a spare fixture,
Yes.
pull chain switch, easy switch,
Okay.
and that fixture. This one's fancy.
Thank you. I'll put this on the side there so we can keep it handy for checking the attic. At least for a little bit.
It's a yo-yo.
Oh my gosh, that's fantastic, buddy.
Can you take these?
Oh, sure. Oops.
They're all down here.
I'll put them under the sink if you need them.
Alright.
Well, we're all down here. It works somewhat. So I'll see you guys later in the next video. Peace out.